Hey guys, Terrence here. Today I want to share with you guys some glow-in-the-dark products I bought as I try to revive the glowing element of my old game, Rocket Tubes. This game came out in the late 70s. My brother had it when he was a kid, my older brother, and it was handed down to me when I was old enough to play with it, and I fell in love with it. I fell in love with space and just passionate about that stuff as a kid, and I fell in love with the game, and there's so many memories instilled in my brain with this game. But the glow element of this game, well, the stickers that came with this game, they peeled off, of course. We don't have them anymore. So the only ones that are left is these. So I've been searching online trying to get it to look like that as I build it up for my little kids. And I've been in search of some stickers. This is all that's left with it. Like I said, the other ones are peeled off, so it doesn't glow anymore. But these are all that are left. And this game was made in '78, and these stickers still glow incredible. I'm not sure what they used in them, because I got some glow-in-the-dark stickers that I thought would work, and I had some older glow-in-the-dark paint that was terrible. So I went online and I bought a couple of products I'll show you guys in a second, but they didn't nowhere near glow as bright as these glow when I put the light up on them. I know up until the 70s, I don't know in the 70s if they were using it, but radium was a big element as far as glow-in-the-dark products. Like a lot of older clocks and watches that I do have that glow in the dark, they use radium in them, which is radioactive. So I don't think they would use it in a toy on these stickers, because to be so old, and like you see they all faded, but they glow extremely bright. And I'll show you guys right now, and I'll show you guys the two products I bought and give you guys some recommendations if you're looking for something that glows in the dark. That's probably a fitting application that you're trying to get to glow in the dark. So let's put some light on it first. I got my light here. So just trying to get this back going right, because we're filming some videos for my little boys. They're 3 and 1, but I want them to show a game that was I fell in love with as a kid too. So let's put some light on it. Let's turn the lights off. Okay, we're in the dark. Okay, I left it on there for about 20 seconds, so let's watch this. Look at that, guys. It's incredible. So we're gonna test these out with the new products I bought and see which one glows the brightest and the longest. Okay guys, I got my test station set up. This is one of the products I bought. Also bought this MX24 made by Glow Mania. I'll show you guys. The links will be in the description box as well. And of course we got the old 1970 stickers. I got a black light because I'm gonna use a black light. Well, I got a 200 watt bulbs, black light bulbs, I'm gonna use to film their video for their channel as we upload Rocket Tube, me introducing the game to them and having fun with that and showing how amazing it looks at night when it's working and those stickers are there. So let me show you guys the products, where I bought them from and how much I paid for them. And we're gonna do the test. So, okay. This is the first one. It was a white MX24 glow in the dark paint luminous star. It's supposed to be, let's click on it. 3.5 stars, 41 rating. But I've been seeing a lot of good reviews about this online, and it's supposed to be extremely bright and last for a long time. So we're gonna find out. And the second thing I bought was this. Got 4 stars. It's a tape, so I can kind of tape it where it goes on the tube itself. So I'll get a rocket tube and I'll paint it with the. I'll get one of the tubes and I'll paint it. So I'll put the links in the description box for both for these products, guys, just in case you guys are interested in them and if you like what you see when I'm done with the results. So. Okay, guys, I'm set up. I got 2 extremely bright lights, so I can charge the glow particles as much as possible, so I can get the best luminosity out of all of them, and we can kind of decide which one is best, especially for what I'm trying to do. So I've painted one of the tubes already. I'll show you guys. painted the center here with the brush I had. So I also paint a little spot in the front here. It's supposed to dry clear. Give you a decent amount in here, but as on here you can kind of see it in. Okay, we got that painted. We'll set this to the side. This tape also comes with a film around it, so you want to make sure you remove that if you choose to buy this tape. When you remove this film, this is important because you don't want to rip the tape up. So take that film off. Let's close this out. Okay, we got our little spot right there. We got this painted so we can see how that's gonna look as well. And we got the stickers. Make sure we're getting a good view. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys the bulbs I got. Well, I grabbed one of them. One of the bulbs I'll be using when I film the kids video. Comes in this case. Bought these years ago. 10 years ago. Got a few of them. These are 100 watts. Black lights. Oh, these lights are awesome. So, show you guys these. Okay, so we got the glow tape I bought, the MX24, the 1970 stickers. We don't need this right now, but this is what I want to. I'm gonna use the black light, both black lights set up on my stands when I do the rocket tube, so it's gonna look really cool when I find the right product to make it glow. And we're gonna test the tube, one of the tubes. So let's charge everything up. Turn the light off. And we're gonna see what we got. So, let's turn the first one on high. And let's turn the second one on in the back. Oh man, we're bright, guys. So let's get everything in the middle. Get that in the middle. We got light dispersing from both sides in our little experiment. So let me turn the light off. Let me time it, guys. I'm watching the timer right now. We've hit the minute mark just about. And we're gonna turn the light off and see what we got. Okay. This is the first test. Turn the front off. Let's turn the back off first. Back is off. Front is off. Okay. The jar appears to be glowing really well. These are not as bright as they were, the old stickers. What about the little spot? Let's see the rocket tube. We're gonna do the rocket tube next. But the tape appears to be amazing. This is a whole jar. Of course, this is white. Must be a bright white glow, but this appears to be winning right now, guys. Let me try to put the light some more on the. Try it again and see if we can get. Because these stickers, the older stickers, appears to get a better glow when they're exposed more to the light. I know they're older, and I know that's kind of cheating. So let's put the light over the little spot I painted. Also, let's get the rocket tube in here, guys. Let's get this in here too. Let's see. So I painted this whole thing with it. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Let's also expose this as well. So we'll let that run whole for about a minute, and we're gonna see what we got. Okay, let's turn the lights off again for the final test. We got the rocket tubes. Look at the tape is going already, guys. Okay. Let's look at the tube. Nothing really. I painted the tube. There's something, but you guys can't see it, but I can see it. And I'll hold the light. We'll do the tube last one more time, but they're fading away. They're not holding up to the tape. Wow, this stuff is great. I wasn't expecting this for the tape, because this MX24 is advertised as a better product than the tape, even though the tape has a better rating and better reviews. I hear a lot of people talking about this MX24, but wow, that tape is impressive, guys. So I got a winner for me for the rocket tubes, what I'll be using it for. So I'm gonna charge the tube one last time, and we're gonna see what we get. Okay, another thing, since I'm using the blacklight, the 100-watt blacklight bulbs, we're gonna see how it looks on the blacklight as well. I got them charging right now for the test the blacklight out, the portable blacklight I got. So we're gonna see how this gonna turn out. Light out. I know you guys can't see the full effect of what the blacklight is gonna do for the rocket tubes, but it should look amazing when I get everything set up, because it looks amazing now. The blacklight shining over the. Remove the blacklight. So the blacklight should give me the extreme brightness of the rocket tubes game that I'll be searching for, as far as for me to film it, and me and the kids are gonna have some fun. So yeah, guys, this is okay, because yeah, this is fine, but let's take the tube out. I figured out how to paint to get the best out of the paint. I figured out what you need to do. So let me show you guys. Wow. Tape is the one by far to me. It's not even close. So I painted the tube. I went over it a couple times, as you guys can see it, because it was dry and clear, like I said, it's supposed to dry. So let's let some light sit on it and see what we get. Okay, it's been about a minute. Let's see what we get. Got some glow. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I see the black light. No, that's not gonna work, guys. The tape is gonna make this look amazing. And look how it looks. It's kind of tacky. No light. That's the black light on it. Okay, guys, I'm back. With the paint, I figure you have to put it thick. You have to put the paint on thick in order to get that extreme glow. It has to be there. I mean, it has to be laid on thick. So this has to be. If I was to put it on the tube and make it glow really bright, I have to put it on really thick. Whereas this has to be white as opposed to being clear. So I'm gonna get this cleaned off, and I'll use the stickers. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys, if you like this video. I'll be uploading a whole lot of more stuff within the next few days or soon. So subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, hit that notification bell so you guys will be notified when I upload the next video. Terrence, and I'm out.